after next half an hour, 2:30, I think all our leaders will assemble there. The entire working committee meeting will have a march. About 50 volunteers of Sevadar leaders are come across the country. Will have a march. They will lead the march to the venue. After they come to the venue, only working committee members, PCC president, CLP leaders, and the former chief minister are the members of this working committee. Only 150 members will be participating in this meeting, and the rest will be joining at the lunch of the AICC president, including the parliament members of the entire country. They will participate in the evening. They will participate tomorrow morning, where the Gandhi statue will be unveiled, and they will be participate in the rally, which will be conducted. Jai Bapu, Jai Beam, Jai Samvidhan rally will be conducted on 27th at 12 noon. So this today, after the resolution, after the meetings conducted here, I think Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge will host the our Congress flag. Then 3 plantations will be done on the memory, and there is a beautiful exhibition which has been done inside. It will be open for the public in the later days also, which the government will announce. And all this lighting which has been done here also will be open for public for few days, which we will announce tomorrow how many days the people can come and enjoy the beauty of Belgaum, which is on the national map. So I'm very happy. The people of Belgaum have cooperated a lot. The government, the officials, the common man have opened it. This is not only a Congress program. This is a program for the country, in the history. Mahatma Gandhi ji took over the Congress president at 3 o'clock at 1924. The same time, 3 o'clock, the working committee is going to start, and it's going to give a message to the entire country, how the country has to take it forward, taking every section of the society and taking all the society forward to keep this country's integrity intact.
Sir, India map controversy. There is an India map
There is no
controversy.
controversy. Some of the leaders, by not knowing, might have made some mistake. We have already directed them. We are removing everything, and whatever is been done, don't try to just pick a small stone in the curd, milk. Everything is perfect. We have done according to the Indian traditions and the values and the custom of those days, from Gandhiji to
you, sir, attacking. They are saying it is a known mistake by them.
BJP is there to attack us. They can't digest. There is no medicine for jealousy. Let them do what they want. We will do whatever we want.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.